Most people assume earwax removal is only needed when the ears feel completely blocked, but the signs can actually be much more subtle. At Hearing First Barnet, many patients don't realise earwax is affecting them until everyday sounds suddenly become clearer after treatment. One of the biggest signs is muffled hearing or needing to ask people to repeat themselves more often. You may also notice ringing in the ears known as tinnitus, ear discomfort, dizziness, itchiness, or even hearing aids not sounding as clear as usual. Earwax is completely natural and helps protect your ears, but too much can create problems. And while social media is full of DIY ear cleaning hacks, trying candles, cotton buds, or home gadgets can sometimes make things worse by pushing wax deeper inside. If you think earwax may be affecting your hearing, consider seeing a qualified audiologist or ENT for assessment, or avoid DIY methods and seek professional advice.